Hello everyone, this is Lucas Dantas. Today I'm gonna talk about local service ads. This is a service offered by Google to home service business, and I decided to create this video because I know only a few people are using this, and I know there's a lot of people who are having problems with results on Google Ads. So with no further ado, let's dive into this. So you might be asking yourself, what is Google Local Service Ads? And here in my screen, you will see that I have the page open. So this is a service offered by Google, as I have already said, and it's for home business, home service business, health, learning, care, wellness. So if you are a roofer, if you are a vet, if you work with childcare, if you're a personal trainer, if you're a lawyer, this is a service that you can use. And if you're not satisfied with your Google Ads results, you definitely should look into this because we have been having results that we never had using Google Ads. I'm gonna show you in a few minutes, but first, let's explain how this works. The main thing is that this is a new way for you to rank on Google. This is a search I have simulated in Monmouth. This is where our client is. This is Quality Roofing Pro. You see that I manage this business profile. You see this profile is right on the first position of Google, above any Google business profiles, above any regular Google ads. And you see that you have the badge of Google Guarantee, which helps you building trust and authority in your local area. The best thing is that you are getting the visibility for free because you're not paying to show to clients. You only pay when people message or call you. Here is a search from a desktop, so only shows the option to message. But if you do on a mobile or on a tablet, you also see the option to call, like you see with this business. We enable the messaging because if you are on a computer, probably you do not have a software that can connect you with a phone system. So that's why preferably I'm using messages on desktop. But as I was saying, you only pay if people call you, and it's not any call. If people take more than 30 seconds, that's when you start to get charged. And even if the call is not good enough, you can request a refund from Google so you don't have to pay for bad leads. So this is basically a risk-free service that Google will offer. Of course, there's some requirements that you have to go through, and this is what I'm going to show you right now. I'm opening my client's account here. I'm gonna go to business verification because I'm going to show you all the steps for you to get started with this. This usually takes up to 2 weeks. It could be less than that. It's not normal for this process to go any longer. So here you see all the steps that are necessary to go through in order to have your Google Local Service Ads account enabled. You see this is Google Guaranteed here. So you need a roofer license. This is for a roofing business. So you will need a license, proof of insurance. You need to go through a background check, and you also need to have at least 5 reviews on your profile. You can see right here, you need at least 5 reviews, and then you can set up your budget and the billing information, which is your payment method. After you go through all these steps, you will be able to launch your ads. And here in this next screen, I'll show you how you can do this. So here, this is the profile and budget page. It's still loading. Yeah, here we go. So you see that I have all the information from this client here in this page. We can see the zip code, the phone, the website, the license, and all the service. On Google Ads, you have like those snippets, you have some call outs. So this is basically what you're setting up here. So you can choose 5 and you can do all of this. So obviously you're going to choose the 5 that makes the most sense for your business. So here we do accepting on-site jobs, accepting urgent jobs, protective gear use, maintaining distance, no cancellation fee, and you also can choose 6 for your business bio. So locally owned and operated, family owned and operated, guaranteed repairs, professional service, 24/7 emergency service, free estimate. So these are all things that you can add to your profile in order to establish more trust and authority with people who are searching for your services. And on the budget, that's when you choose how much you're going to spend per week. And my advice here is, if your client has a budget of, let's say, $2,000 per month, always go a little bit over that based on the amount of people that get in touch with you. Then you reduce this budget, because if you start with a low budget, Google will limit your campaigns and it won't show your ads to as many people as you were expecting to. And of course, you have your local service areas besides the business hours. This one we set up 24/7. So any time of the day, if people are searching for roofers near them, they will see this ad in all those service areas. My advice here, if you are in an area where the cities does not have a large population, use counties, because that's a way for you to maximize the potential of your campaigns and reach out to more people as well. So here we are using just one city, but you see besides that only counties. You see Hancock County, Knox County, McDonough County, and even there's two more here, Warren County, Schiller County. So we are targeting all these regions here, all these counties on the map. And now that you understood a little bit better how this works, I'm gonna go back to the page, because you also need to know that this local service ads has 3 different modules. It doesn't really change how it works, it's just how your profile is going to show up. So there's Google Guaranteed, which is for roofers, for housekeeping. There's Google Screened, that's more like for pets, childcare, and you also have the license verified by Google. This is for lawyers, dentists, and other types of service. When you sign up for local service ads, you don't have to know which one you will get. Google will automatically assign you to the right badge, so this is something you don't have to worry about. And with no further ado, I'm gonna show you the results that we have been able to generate for our clients using local service ads. First, I'm going to open the reports on this client. I'm gonna show you the reports from May, June, July, and this month, so you see how we have been able to improve this campaign going forward. First, let me show you what happened between May and June. So let me just choose May 1st until May 31st. So the first month we spent $392. We generated 8 leads. This company is now really working with the booking inside of Google local service ads, which I would recommend for you to use if you are interested in starting with this, because this is good for your control, who you are booking, who you're not. And it will be even easier if you're trying to get a refund from bad calls coming from leads or bad leads. So here we have seen the results for May. Now we're going to see the results for June. So now I'm gonna choose June 1st until June 30th. So in the next month, we spent $418 and we generated 13 leads. Let me do July now. On July, we spent $392 with 20 leads. And in August, which is our current month, we have already generated 16 leads, and we're not even the 10th yet. This is August 9th, and we have already generated 16 leads this month. I'm gonna show you also the number of calls on this business profile. Look at this. So it shows the number of calls from March until July. So April, you see that we had 19 calls. On May, 34 calls, June, 46 calls, and last month, 87 calls, and so far 16 calls with 10 days into this month. So you should definitely be looking to this. If you're not satisfied with your Google Ads results, you should definitely look into this. And I guarantee you that if you're not satisfied with your Google Ads results, so this is something that can improve your results by a lot. So for this video, that's it. I hope you understood how this works. I hope you enjoy this content. And if you did, leave a thank you on the comments. And of course, leave your like in this video. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. And please share this with your friends, because I know a lot of people can benefit from this video. So see you on the next one. Thank you.